Kings and Queens, and welcome. If you're new here, my name is Hope King and I'm the designer behind King's Designs MD. Today I am just going through how I'm using a mock-up from Design Bundles. So this is designbundles.net, and as you can see, they have a lot of free items that you can choose from and experiment with. So I chose the mug mock-up. If you guys are familiar, this resembles the Dollar Tree mugs that a lot of us use. So I'm happy to see this design. A lot of some of the other mug designs that I see are the straight circular mugs, and many of the Dollar Tree mugs are tapered. So I like seeing this design here. So I've already gone into my Cricut design space, and I'm just kind of showing you guys what I'm putting together. So I went into Cricut design space, and I'm just going to add a page so I can show you what I did. I downloaded it from Design Bundle. So just clicking the download button, I opened it, and then I uploaded it into Canva. I said Cricut design space. Sorry guys, Canva. I'm working in Canva today. So in Canva, I've just selected the item, enlarged it a bit, moved it around, and then I had a design that I had already worked on, and I just clicked on that design, resized it down, and trying to get the image to the size that I wanted. Once I do all this, I know I'll be able to save this as a PNG file. And then I can upload this to pretty much any site. I can put it on my Etsy site, I can use it for Facebook or what have you. But I just wanted to show you how to use that as a mock-up design, just so you can have more options with your mock-ups. So I have done videos on mock-ups on Cricut. This is another one, mock-up in Canva. Now Canva also has the smart mock-up option. Let me see if I can get to that from here. So I have my edit image, and if I go down here, let's see if smart mock-ups is gonna work for me today, y'all. I go here, click this, it's supposed to automatically generate my image on the screen. Whoop, it worked for me today. So that's really cute. I like how that came out. So if you're doing sublimation, you saw my design on the side. This design really just came from Facebook. I have my avatar created in Facebook, and I just chose one. So this is one of my avatars that I had in Facebook. I have a couple other ones, or one or two other ones that I have in here that are kind of cute. Oh, these are some other designs I got from someplace else. Sorry guys, I'm getting a little distracted by some of my ideas that are available to me. Just kind of experimenting, because sometimes, in my experience, the smart mock-up has worked sometimes and sometimes it doesn't. So I just wanted to see how far it's going. Oh, I don't like that. Yeah, that didn't come out good. So you see with smart designs, it's kind of looking like roulette. So if you go back up to the image from Design Bundles, I can take these ladies out, put this lady in, and then I don't have to worry about the smart mock-ups are going to fail on me or not. The other way I do mock-ups is iplaceit.net. Just to give you some idea of what your options may be if you wanted to do mock-ups. And as you see, I'm just kind of layering these ladies in. You can use any design you want, and you can move them around. So if I wanted to move her to make her look like she was further in the back, or flip the image, I could do that too. So let's flip her. And then I told you guys, if I go to the bottom and I expand it, I feel like I have a little better control over my image. So there you go. Design bundles mock-up. Cute. You see what happened with the smart mock-up on Canva. iPlaceIt.net is another option to use. There are many other ones, but those are some options that you guys can have. So I hope this helps somebody. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good night.